Hey DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting episode where we tackle everyday challenges with simple, effective solutions. Ever wondered if you can wash your shoes in the washing machine? It's a common question and the answer might surprise you. Well, today's your lucky day because I'm going to show you how to get those kicks looking brand new with just a few easy steps. No more scrubbing for hours or spending money on professional cleaning. First things first, let's talk about safety. It's crucial to ensure that your shoes can handle the washing machine. Always check the care label on your shoes to make sure they're machine washable. This little tag holds all the secrets to keeping your shoes in top shape. Some materials just can't handle the spin cycle. Leather, suede, and certain types of foam can be damaged, so be cautious. Now let's dive right in. We'll break it down step by step so you can follow along easily. Step 1. Prep your shoes. This is a crucial step to ensure a thorough clean. Remove the laces and insoles. These parts need special attention and can't be washed the same way as the rest of the shoe. Laces can get tangled and insoles need a gentler touch. By separating them, you ensure they get cleaned properly without damage. Toss the laces into a small laundry bag to keep them safe. Got that? Cool. This little bag will prevent them from getting lost or tangled. Step 2. Give your shoes a quick clean. This pre-wash step is essential for the best results. Knock off any loose dirt by banging the soles together. This helps to remove the larger debris that could clog your washing machine. Use an old toothbrush to scrub away stubborn dirt and grime. Focus on the areas that are particularly dirty, like the soles and seams. We don't want all that gunk in our washing machine, right? A little pre-cleaning goes a long way. On to step 3, load your shoes into the washer. This is where the magic happens. Place them in a laundry bag or pillowcase to prevent them from banging around too much. This will protect both your shoes and your washing machine. Add some old towels to balance the load and cushion the shoes. This trick helps to minimize noise and impact during the wash cycle. Trust me, this trick works wonders. Your shoes will thank you for the extra padding. Step 4. Choose the right settings. This is key to ensuring your shoes come out looking great. Use a gentle cycle with cold water. This setting is less harsh on the materials and helps to preserve the shape and color of your shoes. Hot water can warp the shoes and we don't want that. Stick to cold water to avoid any mishaps. Add a small amount of mild detergent. You don't need much to get the job done. Too much soap can leave residue and that's a no-go. A little goes a long way in this case. While the shoes are getting a good wash, let's not forget the laces and insoles. They need some love too. Hand wash the insoles with a bit of soap and water. This ensures they get clean without being damaged. Rinse thoroughly and let them air dry. Avoid using heat as it can warp the insoles. The laces should be good to go after their little tumble in the laundry bag. They'll come out clean and untangled. Now time for the final step, drying. This part is crucial. Improper drying can ruin all your hard work. Never, and I mean never, put your shoes in the dryer. The heat can cause them to shrink or warp. Instead, stuff them with paper towels or newspaper to help them keep their shape and absorb moisture. This method is gentle and effective. Change the stuffing every few hours until they're completely dry. This ensures all the moisture is absorbed and your shoes dry evenly. And there you have it. Fresh, clean shoes ready to hit the streets. They look almost brand new, don't they? Fresh, clean shoes ready to hit the streets. You'll feel great stepping out in your revitalized kicks. Remember, washing your shoes in the washing machine is a breeze if you follow these steps. It's all about preparation and using the right techniques. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Music fades out. Stay tuned for more awesome content.